On the red carpet right now, we have Paul Oster. He is the president of Better Qualified. Brand new business. I've never heard of it. It's a brand new business?
Oh, no, we've been around for about 9 years now.
Okay, tell us.
Helping small businesses and individuals with their credit. So we're actually helping Rosa with her personal credit. You know, she's had some issues in the past, and trying to help her improve her credit scores. So both for the individual and the small business, you know, now is the time. Your credit score affects everything in your life. As an individual or a small business, you need to know what your credit scores are. And most small businesses have no idea, let alone the individual.
Generally, how long does it take for you to clean stuff up for them?
Well, our personal consumer credit program is 6 months. Our business credit program is 12 months. But the idea behind a business credit program is that you get vendor lines of credit that are not personally guaranteed. We just got a car in our corporation's name, no personal guarantee, only in the tax identification number. And we've done that for lots of our clients also. And you have cash lines of credit and credit cards that are not personally guaranteed, because God forbid something happens to your business, you don't want them to be able to come after your personal assets. And on the consumer side, your credit score can cost or save you hundreds of dollars a month, interest rates, insurance premiums, and things like that.
Have you ever had a business or a resident who's had that were in dire straits that you weren't able to help them?
No. The worse it is, the better it is for us, kind of. You know, we always say it's like a grain of salt when you ask a divorce attorney or a bankruptcy attorney, how's business? Our business is booming. So if you're in trouble, don't go into bunker mode, because it only gets worse. So if you're having trouble and you're on the slippery slope, now is the time to seek out a professional, and we can help. We've been 9 years in the business. I've been featured on Fox Business News, Channel 2, CBS, the Wall Street Journal. We're pretty good at what we do.
How would someone go about getting in touch with you?
Well, you can find us at betterqualified.com. You can call us at 888-533-8138. Or you can text the word FIX to FIX to the number 71441.
Pleasure to meet you, Paul, and thank you for being here.